Every morning in monasteries across Tibet and Nepal, the first thing a practitioner does is pour water. 7 bowls of clean water placed on the shrine while chanting. It is the simplest offering in Buddhism. It is one of the most powerful abundance practices in the Vajrayana Buddhism. Today, I will teach you how to do it.
Vasudhare Svāhā. Vasudhare Svāhā. Vasudhare Svāhā. Vasudhare Svāhā. Vasudhare Svāhā. Vasudhare Svāhā. Om Vasudhare Svāhā. Here is how the practice works. You need 7 small bowls or cups. They don't need to be expensive. Any clean cups will do. Metal, ceramic, glass. What matters is that they're clean and offered with a pure heart. You also need a jug of fresh, clean water. Begin in the morning, before your day takes over. Clear a space on a shelf or table, your altar, your windowsill, even your kitchen counter. This is important. Never place an empty bowl on the shrine. Hold each bowl in your hand. Pour a small amount of water into it. Then place it down from left to right. The space between each bowl should be the distance of 1 grain of rice. Close together, but not touching. Close, like the moments of kindness in your day. Separate, but nearly touching. As you pour, chant Om Vasudhare Svāhā. 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 Why water? Because water is the purest offering. It is free. It is clean. It has no ego. Unlike gold or flowers, water has no value. We can cling to, we offer it without attachment. And that is the whole point. Each of the 7 bowls represents an offering to the Buddhas through our senses. Water for drinking, water for washing, flowers, incense, light, perfume, food. 7 offerings, 7 bowls, all represented by the simplest substance on earth. The Buddhist masters teach, it's not what you offer that creates merit. It's the openness of the hand that gives. Om Vasudhare Svāhā. Om Vasudhare Svāhā. Om Vasudhare the bowls are emptied. But here is the beautiful part. You don't pour the water down the drain. You pour it onto the earth, onto soil, onto a plant, onto the ground outside your door. Because the water returns to Vasudhara. Her name means stream of gems, but her older name, in some traditions, is simply earth. She is the ground beneath you. When you pour the offering water back onto the soil, you are completing a circle. You received clean water this morning. You offered it with gratitude. And now you return it to the source. The stream flows from her. The stream returns to her. And tomorrow morning, you begin again. This is what abundance actually looks like. Not a vault that fills once. A stream that flows every day. Om Vasudhare Svāhā. 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 7 cups clean water. A quiet moment before your day begins. You don't need an initiation. You don't need a teacher's permission. You don't need expensive bowls from Tibet. You need a cup, water, and the willingness to begin your day by giving before you start taking. And if you want a mantra to chant while you pour, you have one now. Om Vasudhare Svāhā. Pour the water, offer the day, and in the evening, return it to the earth. She will be there tomorrow. The stream does not stop. Om Vasudhare Svāhā. 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 Svāhā. Om Vasudhare 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 Svāhā. Om Vasudhare